Greetings. Library Services have created several pages to help you get started with your library website on Final Site. To access these, first log into Final Site and then click on Compose. This should put you in the Compose section with the feather or the quill. From here, you want to make sure that you are under Mesquite ISD and scroll down. You'll then click on Production Branch and then choose Library Homepage. You'll see that we've changed up a few things about the library homepage. Our mission statement is smaller. We have a placeholder for your picture, your name, email, phone number. We have a little place where you can put your upcoming events or announcements. And then I've reworked the look of the different student zone, teacher zone, and parent zone with links directly on your homepage for people to access that easily. Once you've cloned this page, you will put in your own calendar and your own Google slideshow can be embedded in that. And we will cover that in another video. To clone this page, mouse over Library Homepage and click on the three dots. Then choose from the bottom of the pop-out box, Clone Page. You'll want to give this a new name, and I would call it by your campus library, and you could call it Home or Homepage. You'll also want to change that URL so that it also is your campus library home. Then you need to choose the parent page. You'll see that we are under Mesquite ISD Production Branch, but you'll want to choose your campus. So choose Select Page, then scroll down and find your campus. Click on your campus, and then underneath Home is where you're going to want to put your page. Because I don't want to mess up any campus pages, I'm going to go back to Mesquite ISD and our production branch and our library so that we don't mess up anybody else. And then click Clone. Now I have a cloned page. You'll see that if I scroll down under Library Homepage, there's my new page ready to go. Now there are a few things that I need to do to this page before I can begin editing it. And I want to check the settings. So you'll see at the bottom of your screen, you have a Compose button, which will allow you to then edit this page. You also have three dots, which are more options. Again, you can clone it. You can delete it, you can change it, move it to another folder or to another parent page, or you can add a page below this one. The next button is Settings, and you'll see a lot of different settings here, and these are the most important. For now, we want to make sure that we hide from navigation elements. So until you are ready for people to actually see your page, you want to make sure that these three boxes have been chosen. Once you're ready for your page to be viewed, then you'll uncheck these three and choose Save. If this is a linked page somewhere else, you would choose Linked Page, but it is not. You don't need to worry about that. Navigation information and access control. This is wonderful if you have a page that you only want maybe your teachers to access and no one else. You can choose constituents only, put in a password, and then give that password to your teachers, and they're the only ones that will be able to actually see that web page. Choose Save. And now your settings have been saved for that page. Now to edit this page, you'll click Compose, and you'll see that now everything is outlined in these blue boxes, which then allows you to edit the content of that page. We'll cover editing content in another video tutorial, but I just wanted you to see how you can go in and edit the clone page once you have made it. In order to save any changes, you need to make sure that once you've made a change, this will turn green and you want to click Publish. If you do not click that Publish button for anything that you've changed, it will not save it. So that's a brief description of how you can access the library pages that we have created for you and clone those pages so that you do not have to recreate them. They're already copied for you. Just to give you an idea, some of the other pages we have ready for you are the Student Zone page. This is the elementary student zone. Of course, you can add any more information above this that you want. These blank spaces are here to give enough space on the page so that everything doesn't look crowded. These are drop-down boxes that when the page is live, it will drop down and show different resources. The teacher zone page, which does something similar. The parent zone page, which also has drop downs. And then we have the secondary student zone page. These are for the high schools and middle schools. You will want to edit. So, for example, if you are high school, you can actually delete the section that says middle school. If you're middle school, you can delete the section that says high school. And then choose which resources within each of these that you want to keep or that you want to get rid of. You can get rid of the entire section by clicking on the trash can, or you can edit the element, go in and edit all the different pieces of it. If you have any questions, please give me a call and let me know. Thanks.